Okay, now we're going to assemble an EM box with a battery operator instead of the AC plug. So on the top you'll see the extension cord, which we are not going to use. And then there's a wire for the battery operator. Okay, so here is the EM box, the front. And now we're going to look at the back, where we're going to put in battery. Note the little door on the back of the EM box. So the first step will be to remove the door on the back of the EM box with one screw. Take the door off, and you'll note that there's a bar that holds the battery in place. We'll need to remove those two screws as well, and the bar. Okay, so now that we remove the screws, we're going to take out the battery hold down, and that's where the battery is going to go. So this is the battery that we're going to be installing. It's a rechargeable battery. We'll have chargers at the branches. We'll find the terminal screws along with the batteries. So now we're going to attach the wires. Black goes to black, which is negative. Use a washer and a nut. Okay, next attach the red wire to the positive side of the battery. Using the lock nut and washer. Now we'll open up the ticket compartment, and the battery is going to attach right here. Well, first we'll put the battery in and run the line. I'm going to slide the battery into the battery container with the terminals facing up. And now feed the line to the back of the ticket department. Feed the wire into the ticket machine. And simply plug it in.
Looks like positive wire up.
Yep. And there we go.
Power.
And you can see the red light shows that the power is on, and it'll go off after 2 seconds. That's what saves the battery. It's automatically built into it, so we don't need to shut off the machine. Okay, now we're going to feed the tickets into the machine, just like normal. Hit the red button to set it. There we go. And we should have a green light. And now you'll see that the power is not on, so it's not using the battery power. It's in sleep mode. So now we'll try an empty bottle to make sure that it dispenses okay, and we should be done. Okay, so now we're going to take an empty bottle, make sure the ticket machine is working properly. Great. Nice job. And now that the EM box has a battery and it's working properly, we will just assemble back in the battery hold down and door.